Today's video is going to be about how to install your JWE. Most of you are complaining that you are finding it very difficult to get your JWE. So this is the reason for this particular video today. On this channel, I teach you how to do satellite installation from everything, satellite setup, the TV setup, scanning, any other thing. If you are interested, please share this video or subscribe for more videos. So let's go right into the video. So currently, the dish is on 36 degrees, which is DSTV. So I'm now going to input my JWE, or let me say the 7E angle. And then, mind you, the JWE, you can either use 12604 horizontal 30,000, or if you want to confirm that is the angle you have hit, you confirm it with 11593 30,000 horizontal. So now we are going to for 7E. You understand? We're going to try for our 7E. So take note here, guys. Take note. We are going to try for our 7E. 7E is not other far from 16E. It's not other far. But the dish what? The dish goes up than your 16 degrees. So but now let me show you something here. Let me track for 16 degrees. Okay, so now this is my 16. So the easiest way I use to get my 7E, which is JW, is I first of all get my 16 degrees. You understand? If I get my 16 degrees, and then I will now input my JW frequency. I use 593 horizontal 30,000. So this is what I've input, and then what? The LMB position comes down at almost like 5 o'clock. You understand? Almost like 5 o'clock. And then I'll bring the dish towards myself this way, and then raise the dish up. You understand? Raise it up. If you don't hit, you come again. So this is it. Guys, I've gotten it. You see that I've gotten it so easy. Okay, so guys, this is it. You understand? So those of you who are complaining that you are finding it very hard to get your JWE, if you want to get it, what I do to get it very easy is I first of all get my 16 degrees. Which is Boom TV or Arewa side. Get that side, and then when you now input your JWE, your JWE frequency, you now put the LMB at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, and then what? Raise, come towards, just go towards your left or your right, and then raise the dish up, and then you hit signal. You understand? So now let me tighten it, and then you see how you can be able to combine your 26, your 28, which is multi TV, on the same dish. So guys, this is JWE. This is JWE. You understand? Very simple. The LMB screen position is 5 o'clock. You understand? And then, as I said, the fastest way or the easiest way I get it is I first of all track for my 16 degrees. When I'm done, I'll now put the new frequency, which is 11593 horizontal 30,000. So right now, after getting it, how do you get your 26? Or let's say, how do you get your multi TV or the 28 on it? This is where I'm going to show you the trick too. So after inputting, let me input my 28. So this is how you pick it. Make sure, as for this one there, the holder, or this in the bar or the metal that you are going to use should be very, very long, because it will have to be hanging. You understand? Almost this way. So this is it. So as you can see, this is the level that I've gotten my 28 from. My 28 from. This is the level. You understand? So let me try and see if I can hit 26 on it. Tracking 26 might be very difficult, but I know it is possible. So if you want to get your JWE and the 28, this is the basic way. You understand? Just input your. So right now this is my JWE, and then you understand? That's it. This is the length of it. This is the length of it. You know, I've not come with tape measure, so I've given you the accurate measure, but this is just the length of it. So guys, this is basically, or the basic way you can get your JWE and the Moto TV on the same dish. As I said, take note, the trick or the simple trick I use is, I first of all get my 16 degrees. When I'm done, I'll now input my JWE frequency that side, and then come towards my left small, or come towards my body small. Just go towards my right small, and then I'll raise the dish up, and then I'll put the LMB screw position at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Guys, as usual, please, if this video has helped you, please share for me, and then tell me where you're watching me from. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Salute.